I tried Tangany wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I tried the Tangany wallet app for 7 days, I didn't expect much beyond standard crypto storage. But the shocking truth, this isn't just a wallet, it's the invisible backbone behind some of Europe's most trusted blockchain services. From day one, it became clear that Tangany takes a very different approach. Instead of focusing on everyday retail users, it's designed for institutions, startups, and businesses that need secure custody for digital assets. It's like the silent infrastructure powering behind the scenes. During my week of testing, I explored how Tangany handles key management. Unlike typical wallets where you control your private keys directly, Tangany uses a regulated custody model under German financial law. That means your assets are stored securely, with compliance and security that meets banking standards. It's one of the few wallet providers that's fully BaFin regulated, a major trust factor in Europe. Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto wallets have to be completely self-custodial to be safe. But Tangany proves there is another path, one that balances security, regulation, and accessibility. Of course, it's not for everyone. Regular crypto users might find it too corporate, and you can't just download it and start trading like you would with MetaMask or Trust Wallet. It's meant for enterprises, developers, and fintech platforms that want to integrate blockchain without managing private keys directly. After 7 days of testing, the shocking truth became clear. Tangany isn't the flashy wallet you see in crypto ads, it's the trusted infrastructure behind them. It's built for compliance, reliability, and long-term stability, not speculation. If you've ever wondered what powers the safer side of the crypto industry, Tangany might just be the answer, quietly keeping digital assets secure while the rest of the market chases hype.